Start. Under the second 5-year plan, the government want to start junior technical institutes, but so far the education department is not in a position to know what type of junior technical institutes are going to be established in the country. Every time we ask the education department to furnish us with details of their schemes, the reply we get from the education ministry is that some officer of the department has been sent abroad to study this question, and only when he returns from abroad will they be able to finalize the thing. An officer of the education department has been sent to study these institutions in France. I think he must have spent 4 or 5 months in France. But the reply that the education ministry has given is that he could not study the entire scheme and he wants some other officer to be deputed to study. As I said before, under the second 5-year plan, we are to start junior technical institutes, but so far the education department is not in a position to give even the correct information to those private agencies which are there ready to start these schools. Therefore, I request the education department not to sleep over things but to take very active steps in collecting the necessary information and in helping the private agencies who want to start these institutes in this country. I know my people are suffering because they have been given a very defective type of education. Today, we have to depend upon the reservations whenever any vacancy occurs in a department. That vacancy, even if it is reserved, is not filled by a scheduled caste mind. Naturally, this type of education will not help a candidate to choose any other profession except to depend upon government establishments. Therefore, it is necessary at least to see that the scheduled castes, the scheduled tribes, and the tribal people do not depend upon the reserved services. They must be given technical education. For that, the education department will have to spend enormous money. I do not want government to simply waste money in propaganda against untouchability. This is a real step which would definitely improve the conditions and make the scheduled castes to be independent. That is, without being dependent upon government services. Therefore, I would like the Home Ministry to give special directives to all the state governments